Hello, my artsy friend. In this video, we're going to be learning the straight stitch. Let's dive in. So we're going to start by threading our needle. So I've got my threader here, and I'm just going to loop the yarn over and pull through. And now I've already got it knotted, so I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to come up through the back. I'm going to go ahead one stitch length and go right back down. And that is our straight stitch. So I'll continue doing this. I'm going to come up through the back and down through the front. This pattern is the straight stitch. You'll also see this is more of a running stitch where you get the spaces in between. You'll see it used in some of the other stitches. You'll see it listed as seed stitches, think like sprinkles on a cupcake where they're kind of scattered, but it's the same motion where you're coming up through the back, down through the front, over and over again. And that's it. That's our straight stitch. Now, we do want to keep our back clean, so I'm going to show you really quickly. I just loop under my thread here, so it's kind of made a back stitch, straight stitch kind of situation on the back. So I'm just looping this and wrapping it to keep it nice and tidy on the back. And that's it. There's our straight stitch.